How to plot multiple columns from different worksheets in Origin. Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data analyst, Intuito4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team, on demand. And if you are new here, then subscribe now for more amazing video just like that.
Really gets to the core philosophy behind Origin integration. Everything related to your project lives inside one single Origin project file. So think of it less like a file and more like a digital lab notebook. Your raw data, your graphs, your analysis, your notes, it's all bundled together in one cohesive place. No more hunting for scattered files. And to keep that digital lab notebook from becoming a cluttered mess, Origin gives you the Project Explorer. It works exactly like the File Explorer on your computer, so it feels really intuitive. You can create folders, drag things around, and impose a clean, logical structure on your work. Keeping raw data separate from final graphs. Okay, our data is imported and nicely organized. Now for the fun part. It's time to unleash our analysis and start asking questions to uncover the insights that are hiding in those numbers. So forget about calculating values one cell at a time. That's a nightmare. Origin lets you operate on entire columns all at once. You just use this set column values dialog to apply any mathematical formula you need, and you can even reference other columns. You need to convert units or calculate a log scale? You just write the expression one time and boom, the whole column is done. Now this is where it gets really clever. See that little lock icon? When you have auto update on, Origin creates a live link between your calculated column and its source data. So what does that actually mean? Well, if you go back and fix a typo in your raw data, the lock icon will flash and your entire calculated column updates automatically, instantly. It's a huge time saver and ensures your analysis is never out of sync. And Origin goes deep. We're not just talking simple calculations here. It has a whole comprehensive suite of heavy-duty analytical tools right at your fingertips. Whether you need to do basic descriptive stats, run an FFT, or even do advanced nonlinear curve fitting with your own custom-defined functions, yeah, the power is all built right in. And this part is absolutely crucial. Your work is never lost. As you perform any analysis, the results are automatically sent to the results log. This creates a time-stamped record of your entire process, which is just invaluable for making sure your work is reproducible, and let's be honest, for making it way easier to write up your methods section later. All right, now we get to the part where the magic really happens and where Origin truly shines. This is where we turn all those numbers and analysis results into a visual narrative that's actually compelling.
Before we start, let me quickly tell you this. If you ever feel stuck with your graphs, reports, or data analysis, you don't need to struggle alone. At Intuito4U.com, you'll get step-by-step guidance from expert writers, tutors, and data analysts. Intuito4U is here to help you succeed.
This transformation. On the left, you've got a standard default scatterplot. It shows the data, sure, but it doesn't really tell a story. Now, on the right, you have a polished, multi-panel figure that's ready for publication. Getting from the left to the right is all about having total control over every single element, and that's exactly what Origin provides. So how do you even build complex graphs like that? It's all based on a really simple but powerful idea called the graph layer concept. Just think of each distinct part of your graph, each panel with its own set of axes, as a separate transparent layer. You build your first plot on layer 1. Then you can just add a second layer, maybe link its x-axis to the first one, and plot a whole different data set. And this is the tool that makes managing all those layers simple. The layer tool gives you precise control to arrange, align, and resize each piece, turning what seems like a really complex task into a straightforward, totally manageable process. All right, we have imported, organized, analyzed, and visualized. The final step in our journey is adding that professional polish that's going to make your work really stand out. If you've ever had to create like dozens of graphs for a single paper, you know the pain of manually reformatting every single one just to get a consistent look. Changing the fonts, adjusting the line widths, setting the colors, it is incredibly tedious. Well, Origin solves this with themes. A theme is basically just a saved collection of all your formatting preferences. With a single click, you can apply a theme to any graph and instantly change everything, from the page color to the axis tick style, ensuring perfect consistency across your entire project. It's a real game changer. And that brings us to the grand finale of the data journey, the layout page. This is where you bring it all together. You can add your finished graphs, you can pull in key data tables directly from your worksheets, add some explanatory text, and assemble a complete presentation-ready page. This is the canvas where you present your entire story in one polished document. So let's just pull it all together. What is the core advantage of using Origin for this whole journey? So why does all this matter? Well, it's because this integrated workflow connects every single step, making sure your final figure is always in sync with your raw data. It means your analysis is powerful and, just as importantly, it's repeatable. And ultimately, it means you can automate the tedious work, which saves you an immense amount of time and lets you focus on the story, not on the software. By integrating every step of the process, Origin lets you focus less on the mechanics of managing files and formatting graphs, and way more on what truly matters: discovery. It empowers you to find and tell the story that's hidden inside your data.